Hey everyone, if you're a Pixel user on the Android 16 beta, listen up. Google has just dropped a new update, QPR2 Beta 3.3, and it's rolling out now to Pixel 6 devices and newer, including the latest Pixel 10 series and Foldables. Now, don't get too excited about new features. This update is all about stability. Google is specifically targeting that super annoying lock screen freeze bug that many of you have been dealing with. You know, the one where your phone becomes totally unresponsive and you have to force a restart. Well, this update finally fixes it. The build number is BP41.50916, 15 for the Pixel 6 series, and a slightly different version for the newer models. It's still on the October 2025 security patch, which shows the main focus here was squashing that one major bug. You can grab the over-the-air update by heading to your settings. Thanks for watching, and follow for more tech updates.